am the soldier, I'm about to waiting to hear the voice of my commander, Jesus will come.
To join me on this stage, the chairman of People's Democratic Party, Rivers State, who also doubles as the chairman of the Governing Council of the Port Harcourt Polytechnic, Dr. Nnamdi Kanu. We'll get this type of appointees for the government. During the former administration, Orashi benefit like this? No! Under the former administration, they do road for us? No! They do hospital for us? No! They do school for us? No! But you will recall that under the administration of the former governor, the FCT minister, Orashi stood in the forefront in everything. Don't be so. From our father and grandfather, Sir Dr. Peter Obi, that is the man who the former First Lady Patience Odili handed him over to. Don't be so. Orashi people took all the risk. We are in the front to make sure he becomes governor, to succeed as governor. Will benefit anything? No! But under this administration, waiting they promise us they no fit do. It never they happen. Omok Zona Hospital never they finish. Ahod Omok Road, it never they complete. Omok Egbema Road, it never complete. Dele, Ikri, Omok Road, it never they do. Who is your brother? Don't be Fubara. Who is your brother? Don't be Fubara. I beg, play one song for our governor. December way past, somebody sent me one video where the minister of FCT, they host a committee of friends where they drink, and we see two persons say that they apologize to minister on our behalf. Don't be juju be that. Don't be juju be that. How you go apologize for us when the leaders of Russia are here? Yes. You can't tell the whole Senate to apologize for us? No! The only offense our grandfather and father, Sir Dr. Peter Obi, committed was to tell Wike, please allow Rivers people to be. Don't be so. No! Allow our resources to be, no be so. Allow the governor to govern Rivers State, no be so. Line two persons. Let me tell you, how did their career start? Right Honorable Prince Chibudo Uche was Deputy Speaker House of Reps. Who make a House of Reps member Deputy Speaker? No be Peter Dele. Prof. Felix Ogba was local government chairman. Who make a chairman? Not be Odili. Wike was local government chairman. Who make a local government chairman? Not be Odili. Now, because say our father and their father say, let Rivers State move ahead. They went to attack him. We want to stand here on behalf of our Russian people to apologize to our father, Sir Dr. Peter Obi, on behalf of his children who have gone astray. astray to say what we did not send them. Therefore, Pikin wey say Papa no go sleep, he go sleep. Look at the joy in the faces of Onega people. It shows that Onega has been liberated. Look at the joy in Orashi. It shows that Orashi has been liberated. All the suffer will suffer Orashi people for the past administration. What did they give us? As we enter as minister, what did they give Orashi? As in they give people appointment, what did they give us? Karitimari give us Abuja. Our work now to go wear uniform for Abuja. It makes sense? So, let me send a strong message to them. We, the foot soldiers of the governor, we are the ones making sure there is peace in Rivers State. For the administration of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I will continue to support Mr. President because in the grassroots we are in charge. Every other person is Abuja-based politician. We never retire them. We never retire them. So what did they call our Papa Lanu? Papa Lanu. The governor said I should tell you that this year is the year of empowerment from month to month. Governor going to do, commissioners going to do. So every month now steady jumping, steady. This is when the resources of the people, Rivers money for Rivers, Onega money for Onega. Thank you, my brothers and sisters.
I can see everything turning around, everything.